show you a great game day recipe. It feeds a crowd. It's easy to make. If you have a slow cooker, I'll tell you how to make it in a slow cooker as well. It's my grandma's North Carolina chopped barbecue.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got the pork butt here. We know it's pork shoulder. We got the bone out because it's going to be a lot faster. And all you do here is just poke some holes in. And then plunk
Stuff it with garlic.
some garlic.
Nice.
So that goes in there. We're gonna make a rub. Starts with a little bit of seasoning called Old Bay. So some onion powder, garlic powder, some sweet smoked paprika, just punching up the flavors. Gonna throw some salt in there, some black pepper, and then just rub it all over.
Rub it on down.
Our pork butt right here. Now, what I love about this is we've got the oven set at 250 degrees. If you have a slow cooker, that's like the low, or the high. So we can do this for 4 hours in the oven, or put it in a slow cooker on high for about 4 hours, or low for 8 hours.
But you know, I don't have a slow cooker because I have an oven. It's the same thing. Just put your oven on low, and throw the pot in it.
Yeah,
there
and I'll
you go.
show you. The great thing the slow cooker does is once it's done waiting and resting for a minute, the slow cooker is really good at moisture. So we can recreate that by adding in a little bit of
a little stock.
Rachael Ray stock.
Well, thank you for the product placement.
And I like to go about 1 inch up and then tightly cover with aluminum foil.
And that will just keep all that moisture in there to
keep everything moist, and then once the moisture happens, all that connective tissue just melts away, and that's what gives you that
It'll start
cooled...
making its own juices, obviously, as it slowly cooks. This just kind of gets it going. Nice.
All right, that's into the oven, 250 degrees. Got it for me?
Then it's this guy here.
Yep, then I want to show you how to make the sauces.
Oh, all right, baby.
So after it comes out, we've got it over here. I'm gonna take some rings off.
Beautiful.
I mean, look at this. You can kind of tell it's good just by the way it jiggles.
That's ready.
Look at that right there. Just
look at that
juiciness
gorgeous.
right there. Just come in. You're gonna go in, make some slices, and I'll usually have like 2 of these cleavers and just go crazy back and forth. Yeah. Well, watch out.